Yes.
Month of November is recognized as Prematurity Awareness Month, and today, 17th of November, is recognized as World Prematurity Day, a day set aside to raise awareness of the challenges and burden of preterm birth globally.
Mimi ningependa kushukuru mama wetu Tessy kwa hii initiative ambayo ni ya okoa malaika. Sometimes mambo inaweza kuwa mingi, high blood pressure ama mambo mingi, mtoto anazaliwa kabla hajafikisha masiku.
Every year, 15 billion babies worldwide are born too soon. And this premature arrival is the leading cause of death in children under the age of 5.
Tumeona watu wakiwa registered pale for Reader Mama. And I think I would call on community health promoters to support both the county and national government in mobilizing and passing more information to expectant mothers to be registered for Reader Mama, because this will go a long way in reducing the costs of giving birth in our community, isn't it?
Appropriate medical equipment and support measures in place, preterm babies do make a full recovery and thrive as human beings. Today, as we launch Okoa Malaika, which is a preterm aid program and is a partnership between the Mudavadi Memorial Foundation Trust Fund and Ushiriki Wema, we shall be distributing infant incubators, blankets, footprints, which shall be donated to Bungoma, Busia, Kakamega, Vihiga County Referral Hospitals, and of course where we are here at Itando.